Hey everybody, I'm Scott with Homeport Residential and welcome to 26924 Deer Canyon Drive. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,594 square foot home located in scenic Ramona, California is situated on over 13 acres and comes complete with stunning views and ample privacy. The first thing you notice when entering the home is the open concept with the extra large kitchen, living room, and dining area complete with wood-burning stove. This is a perfect layout for relaxing with family or entertaining guests. The home also has an attached 1-car garage, a well that comes with a 10,000-gallon gravity-fed tank, a whole house generator, and central heat and air conditioning, as well as a Culligan water softener. And the property comes with a good-sized fenced-in horse corral, a year-round watershed pond with abundant wildlife. Let's go check it out. Let's wrap up by touring the home's property lines, and feel free to reach out with any questions or to schedule a showing. Thank you.